And looking eyes and listening ears. So if there is a cat voices, I'm gonna go back in the bag. No. Okay. Nice one. Oh, let me get situated here. Okay. Oh, yes, sharing. Well, I have a twin. I have another monster who's not very good at sharing. Now, my name is Emily Monster, and my twin is named Emily the Meanie. And she doesn't share. She does not share. Let me go get her for you. Hold on. Hold on. I'm Emily the Meanie. And I don't share. I don't like sharing. No. In fact, let me show you how much I don't like sharing. Hold on. Okay. To show you how much I don't like sharing, I'm going to need a student volunteer. Who can raise their hands to be a student volunteer? Would you please come over here and sit? Okay. Now, everyone, this is how you don't share. Now, I don't like sharing. So one thing I do like to do is snacking! Oh! Okay, so I like to snatch. Students, is snatching good? Okay. Okay. Now, another thing I like to do. Can I see the markers, please? Nice, Emily. Emily the Meanie likes to play keep away. Okay, you want it? Oh, no! Okay. So, we don't snatch. We don't play keep away. Okay, one more thing I like to do because I don't like sharing. Is this all mine? This is all mine. None for you. All mine. Emily the Meanie. I like to play, I hoard things. Hoarding means you keep it all. Okay, so, students, who can raise a hand? Do we like playing with Emily the Meanie? No. Because Emily's not good at what? Emily the Meanie is not good at what? Not good at sharing. So, hold on. I'm going to go get regular Emily back. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Could I use them in 2 minutes, please?
Hold on. Hold on. Quiet voice. Okay.
So I'm going to show you right now. Could I use the markers in 2 minutes, please? Now, students. Now, you ask me. Can I use the markers in 2 minutes, please? You ask. Yes.
Here you go.
Oh, now, can I use the markers in 2 minutes, please? Oh, thank you.
Okay. You want it back and try again.
Yeah. Can I use the markers in 2 minutes, please? Sometimes it's hard to give it over, but I can wait 2 minutes.
Yes. Here.
That was very good sharing. Let's bring one more student up here to practice the new sentence we're going to use. Who would like to come up here? Come. Okay. Are you ready to do some sharing?
Yes.
You do that, everyone?
Yes.
Could I please use the markers in 2 minutes?
Yeah, please.
So you're finishing up, right?
Okay, now do you want to ask me for the markers? Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
And remember, if you don't have words, you can use the 2 fingers.
Yeah.
Okay?
You have a 2 please minutes.
So can you say,
Oh, you want to use the markers in 2 minutes? Okay. There you go.
good job.
Okay, let's try one more time. Could I please use the markers in 2 minutes?
Okay. Thank you.
Nice sharing.
Okay, now you can ask me. Can you say, can I please use the markers in 2 minutes?
You can use the hand sign too.
Yes.
Good.
Okay? Good sharing. Give her a hand.
Good sharing.
Okay, let's try one more student. Okay, last one. Here, you start.
Philip, you will learn a lot.
Imagine that you're playing. This is sharing. Okay. Would I please use the markers in 2 minutes? Okay.
Thank you.
Nice sharing.
Okay, now do you want to ask me? Go ahead. Remember, you can use the hand sign if you need to. Go ahead.
Oh, you want to use the markers in 2 minutes?
Okay. Let me finish. Oh, here you go. Good job.
One more round.
Could I use the markers in 2 minutes? Okay. When you're done, in 2 minutes. Very good. Nice sharing. Okay, last time. You asked me. I'm playing. You asked. What? Remember, well, one side. Show me. Oh, you want to use the marker in 2 minutes? Okay, let me finish. Okay, here you go.
Nice job.